Okay, I think my life is up now. Let me check in my Facebook page first. Okay, mantap. Hello guys, assalamualaikum, and how are you guys? My name is Harry, and today I'm going to do some Java code checking with my friend here, my Facebook friend here, Mr. Ang. Is it right your name, Ang or Eng?
Yes.
Yep. Wait, Ang. I want to share my post first. More options. Where can I share? More options. Share to news feeds. So meanwhile, actually I have a friend that want to talk about the future of programming professions. So while I'm doing code checking, and I will talk about programming side profession. Okay. So I think maybe this one is also useful for you, Ang or Ang.
Yes, it was be useful for me.
Yeah, Howli, welcome to the stream. Thank you for the like. Day, mana button star? Day, yeah, wait, how? No button star yet lah. Baru nak start live kot. Come on, ada. Okay, so I dah share. Okay, so I'm downloading your code now. Lagu ni macam annoying ya. Aku tutup kejap lah. Save files. So let me share my screen. Okay, this is my page. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. And this is my YouTube. Okay, please subscribe. And nowadays, actually, I just started my Java. Sorry, not Java. The PHP programming class for free on YouTube. From zero PHP programming until you can be some advanced level there. So I think if it can help you, I think you can just follow my page, follow my YouTube for more information. Okay. So but now I have my friend Mr. Ang here to waiting for me to check his code. So let me open the code first. Claim.java. So Mr. Ang, do you want to tell me about what is your system do and what is the program do?
Okay, my system that now I am doing is want to calculate the total mouse. Like user input a value that the system will automatically calculate the total mouse, how many mouse that already input by the user.
Okay.
And until either the system will ask user if do you want to continue to calculate the claims or continue calculate claims for another driver. So if yes, the system will continue lah. If not, it will come up with a display menu that you can choose the display report.
Oh, okay. So the report you save into arrays, right? Let me share my screen first so at least you can see with me.
Yes.
Entire screen. So actually, it's been a long time that I never opened my NetBeans I never open my Eclipse. I don't think I have Eclipse here, but I think I can run your program online, right? So let me open the tutorials point coding ground first. Let me see. Java. Where is Java? Java. Secure. Alamak, dia tak boleh terima input lah.
Yeah. Because now I'm using the JGraphs, not the NetBeans.
Yeah, actually I need to find some Java compiler. I think this one can. I think this one cannot lah. Yeah, I try to open my NetBeans, okay?
Okay.
Because last time I teach them using online compiler, but let me try first. Apache NetBeans. Okay. What's this? No, thank you. Okay. Let me try public class claim. Wah, NetBeans, lama tak nampak. Lama tak nampak how
I prefer also using NetBeans, but because of this, I'm at the
Okay.
uni, and my daughter is asking us to using JGraphs.
Oh, ya ke?
Yeah.
Tak boleh pakai ke macam mana?
I do not, because it also can use for NetBeans, but if the doctor want to teach us or show us the code, doctor also use the JGraphs, so I continues using JGraphs.
Oh, okay. So, did your code has this error?
No.
Only at NetBeans So main thread, no such an element exception. Wait banyaknya error. This sebenarnya satu error. Actually this one is only error, but then okay at 130. Apa problem dia?
Because this also I am using the method, because my main method is at the
Yeah.
bottom there.
Display menu static void. Okay, wait. Let me sort this code first. It's quite hard to see now. Of them. Whenever you do code, you need to make sure that your code has sorted out. So at least we can easily check the code for the indentations. This one is not important lah, but for me, for me it's important.
Yeah, I know because this only because got error at there because I think I need to solve the error just I sort out all the to
Oh,
make got the comment or of that lah.
wait. So how long have you studied at your college?
Now is my first year.
First year. So
First
the
year, so
first sem
only
or second
like
sem?
6 months.
6 months.
First sem.
Oh, only the first sem. So the
Mm,
first sem already got coding Mantap
yes. Yes.
What course are you? Science computer.
Not on IT. Course
Oh,
IT.
IT.
Mm.
Game Tarinda, thank you for the like. Layan.
Because,
Thank you, Baim.
because I'm learn the coding when I form 4 and form 5. I'm
Oh,
learning the
seriously?
computer science. Yes.
Oh, so form 4 and form 5
Uh,
already learn Java, right?
yes, but when I go to form 6, I don't take the IT course. After I get the uni, I choose the IT course.
Oh. Let me add another.
Because I think now the IT course is the future for
Yep.
now lah.
The market is now focusing on technology, right? So
Yes,
we need to follow the uh,
because now you see, because of the pandemic, also all the system or all the no wonder the online studying all also online already, not like just before face to face like that.
yep. Right?
Mm.
Correct. Claim need to change to main. I don't know what is the difference between the main. Hmm, what the heck is this? Kenapa tak boleh run Main. Exception in thread main. No such element exception. The main.java line 130 ni function yang dipanggil. Okay. Hmm, let me check this one. Tu apa tu? Muhammad Atta. Thank you for the like. Welcome to the stream. Buat coding je pun. Aduh. Thank you for follow. Thank you. Mana aku tengok tadi, aku lupa dah. Okay, line 34. Kenapa dia banyak ni? Ni kan. Line 34. Welcome to Shashi Travel and Tours. Okay. Who is Shashi? Ang?
This I know because this is the program that my daughter give us. Is the kind of assignment.
Oh, so you name it as Shashi Travel and Tours.
Yes.
Hi Abi.
Hi.
Hi. Wait you can see my screen. Actually, I'm doing a code check for Mr. Am here. This one is Java. As per you, the language that you very like, right?
Yes.
That you want to really to learn the Java kan. So this is the language lah. Display menu.
Really?
Kenapa error kat I punya PC
Is it basic or? Okay. Sure.
This Java is my second language programming that I learned.
Oh, your second.
Okay. Good.
Because
What's your
before
full?
Apa yang masuk dia such util ni
Wah, pandai
How to resolve Java? Tengok jap. Kejap I Google sekejap Apa yang dimasukkan ni?
Okay.
No such element exception in Java is thrown when the one tries to access the iterable beyond the maximum limit. The exception indicates that there are no more elements remaining to iterate over an animation. You ada enumerate ke? You ada letak dalam loop ke? Oh. Oh, maksudnya masa check choice ni lah, scanner input ni. Alamak, I pun tak ingat dah ni. Sekejap I cuba tengok sekejap Java read is input. Next line. Choice ni integer. Sekejap yang ni I hiddenkan dulu. Control apa nak hidden? I pun tak ingat, tak tahu dia punya shortcut. Okay, switch to end the switch. So this one I change to string. Kenapa tak boleh? Oh, this one to 0 and then I will just
string choice
dot print choice. Betul. Oh, dia dah ada ni. Okay, mantap. Apa ni? Enter your choice to actionable task to executed. Apa dia buat salah dia ni? No line found. Oh, Oh, alamak. Bukan macam ni cara jalan dia. Okay. I think I know. Wait.
Ya.
Hmm. Okay, ada. Okay. Salah. Sebab dia nak ada user input kan. So kena run dalam CLI. Sepatutnya sini boleh run dalam CLI ni. Mana Tak ada CLI sini. Oh, tak boleh.
Bro, this one application ke website?
Dia command line punya application. Sekejap
Oh. Okay.
PR. Mana boleh. Apa tadi nama dia? Claim.java. Java C.
Okay.
Claim.java. Mana file dia? Claim.classes. Ataupun boleh run terus Java. Claim.java. Tak boleh. Macam mana nak run dah? Aku tak ingat dah. Java claim.class boleh tak? Tak boleh pun. Okay. Main is probably should be declared in file name main.java. Sepatutnya tak ada masalah. Kenapa ada masalah
Cuba refresh.
Oh, sorry lah Ang. Aduh, I pun dah tak ingat dia punya ni. Kejap. Sebab I dah lama tak main dengan Java ni. Test Java. Apa tadi? Java C main.java. Sebab kalau you nak suruh install software takut lambat pula. Then Java main.class. Aigo. Aku tak boleh tu dia. Lol. Okay. Aduh, ya Allah. Hai. Okay, let me do once again. I just rename the file to main lah. Actually, no need sebenarnya. Cuma I dah lupa dia punya cara. Sorry. Very sorry. So, let me check once again what is the problem here. So, edit with Notepad. Okay, actually, what is your problem now, Mr. Ang? Okay, now you can talk.
Now my problem is if for the first time I input the name, because
okay, let me go through on your application now. So you mean that I need to choose one or two? One.
yes, one calculate.
Okay,
claims.
one calculate. Okay, then I put my name,
So
Mr.
input the
Harry.
name. Yes.
Okay.
Because of this, I only because of string.
Okay.
I not maybe don't have the space at there.
Oh, no need to space Cannot space
Yes.
Okay. So Harry. So
So
number.
and number can choose if you want to go to one also can, two also can.
Okay, let's
Only
see
a
one.
number. Okay.
Okay, let's see one.
So
Okay,
it will come to.
okay.
So and
1000.
Yes, also can.
Okay,
Then it will
1000.
come out with a total claim. Already got the calculation there.
Okay.
If I continue with yes,
Okay,
is
yes.
y. Yes, continue. So
I can put the second name, right? So let's
maybe
say
like
Abi.
yes.
Okay. So number 2. Okay. So claim 1 is 100 kilometer. So 200 kilometer. Do you want to calculate claim? So okay, if I say no, then go to main menu. So then you want to display your report. Hello? Hello? It is
Dia dah pergi
me.
dah.
Oh, dia sudah pergi.
Miss,
He's gone ke?
Miss Ang.
He's gone. Damn. Okay, tak apa, tak apa. Let us check it.
Okay.
Alamak, kenapa tak boleh buka ni? Okay. So let's try to put the display report. I think this one is nothing here. What is Harry 2550? 350. Macam mana yang ni boleh jadi 2550 ya? The amount for claim 1 is 850.
Okay.
Then for Abi is 200 and then this 200. Should be this one 300 lah total.
Sebab nokta tu masalah ke? Nokta tu, I mean, the dot.
Sekejap tanya dia dulu.
Okay.
Mr. Ang.
Yes, sorry, I got some internet problem at there.
Oh, okay. You punya awet call
No. Just can see the enter right is enter for API is for the first is
Okay,
100.
for now I just click on the second choice, that display report, and then it
Yes.
shows me this report. Do you mean this report is wrong or what? Because
Yes,
here
this the report.
total claim is 2,550, but this one is said amount for claim 1 is 850.
Yes. That's why I want to ask.
Oh, this one is the
Because
error lah.
yes,
Okay, so let me
because
check.
I think the calculation at the there got problem, but I try to change the variables or that also same.
Okay, wait. Let me see
Okay.
uh how do you save the data. So read input. So here you read the input. Oh, you cannot use object. I'm stuck.
No, because this is only this the requirement for our assignment.
So only array, and then the scanner classes, only that.
Yes.
So cannot use object. Okay, so this one is quite hard lah sebab tak ada. So you insert the number. So insert the number of claims. So
So it's
human
like
one
to write.
is numbers. So kalau dua kali, so that means this one will loop twice, right? So
Yes,
it will
they are kind of twice.
yes. This one will go to twice and then calculate claim integer number. I think I think you okay. So if the number is twice, so this one will also loop twice. And then, so this is the rates, the total mileage for number one and number two. Okay. And then, system the out dot input name. So the display report now, name. So where is it? The name, numbers. Oh, okay. So macam salah dia dekat sini lah ni. Total mileage. Kenapa you return total mileage eh? Why do you return this?
Kalau saya tak return, dia tak dapat, dia ada error dekat sana. Dia cakap need a return statement.
Yeah, you need to return statement because you put double here. If you put void, then you don't need to return. Because this one you check here, okay? Total mileage. This one loop for twice, so that means you loop total mileage 0 and then total mileage 1 for the rates I. Okay, this one is correct. But for the second loop, it will send another numbers 1. So this one will be the total mileage will be overwritten. Total mileage 1 and total mileage 2. Okay. It's okay. I will try to figure it out. I don't think this one is correct, Mr. Ang. Ingat PHP system.out.println. Total mileage. Java cmain.java main. So satu calculate claims Harry, and then enter number of claims. So let's say 2, mileage is 100. So silap lah. I think this one might take some time, but I will try to do as fast as I can. 100. So the calculation is, the first one is 100 and then this one is 0 because I put twice. So then if I put another numbers, let's say 50, 150, and then the other one is 0. Mr. Ang, I changed the code a bit. Later then I will change again. Okay. I will put
Can.
this. I will put these functions in here. Inside this loop. So this one I will make it comment there. Then I put this inside here. So actually, whenever it sends the smile-ish, so let's say 100. So 100, the rate is here. So in the report, that means you want to check the Harry has how many keys claim, how many numbers of claims, and then the total of claims. So for the second person is how many claims, and then the total number of claim, right? Like that.
Yes. Then come up with reports there. Then calculate the overall claims.
Overall claim. So for these two person lah.
Yes.
Okay.
For the first person, if I enter only one person, that's correct. But when I enter the second person, values in there, it will be come up with error.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Integer 12. Semua dalam array. Pertama sekali nak tengok. Okay. Double X sama dengan static double. Actually, I just create a new list here. Let's say total for user. So new double 12. Then total for user here, I will put this one. Start from 0 first. Let's say I is equal to 0, and then this one is going to be an increment numbers of X. So the X is the rate. So I think we don't need to record the rates, because we just only need the total for current user. So let's say this one I don't need. What is this one? But I need this one. So I will system. So the this I will be like a user ID here, because the number is increment. So the number will be uniquely for each person. Okay, so the print ln. Let me put here total for user. So let me check if it's correct or not. So mana dia? Oops. System.out.print term layan system. Okay. Java C plus minus X cannot. Why? The X is double. Might not have not been initialized. Oh yeah. X. Java main. Okay, satu calculate the claims, and then let's see, put Harry, and then the claims for Harry is 2. So for the number 1 is 100, and number 2 is more than 100, so 501. Let's say 600, 1000 lah. Alamak. Total for user 1 lah. I forgot lah. Ingat PHP. If you are using the PHP code, so we just can print anything, just like JavaScript kan.
Yes, yes. It's
So
not like
lebih mudah lah. Okay, number 1, so let's say Harry. So the first, let's say I have to claim. The first one is 100, the second one is 1000. So total is 950, betul ke?
total it will be the
Tak, this one is correct or not?
no, because if the system need to calculate the claim 1 and claim 2.
Wait, okay, I know. Calculator, please. 500 times 70%. Plus 500 plus 100. Betul lah. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, so this one is correct. So now we need to know the total for all users. So that means we need another one. So I will just create another variable here. So I will put this name, no need the array. So we put let's say overall total. Overall total is a new double. I don't think we need this one. So just put 0 first. So overall total is need to increment numbers of the total user collected. Okay, so now we have two total for this one is for total for user, and this one is total for all. So I don't need this one. So that means for the report now, let's say where is the overall claim. I think this one we can change to, oh, you already put this one, number total per user. So the n numbers is the n name. So that means this one is the numbers of n. Why numbers of n? What is this n?
N is the new variables for the loop for the display report.
Oh, this variable you use the back. Okay. How do we calculate the length of array? Number. Let's say name dot length, right? I forgot. Let me check. Java count array. Dot length. Okay, so dot length, or where is this number come from? Number.
The number is come from the enter the number of
So from this report, that means let's say there is two users. The first one is Harry. So the Harry has two claims. So you want to list all the two claims, right? Or you
yes.
want to
list all the user claims.
Okay. So that means
So they cut off with one total overall claims.
Okay, I understand. So that means I'm wrong lah. I do wrong lah. Okay, okay. We will check it. How do we make it? Let me remove this first. Total for users, and then we need to know that the user has another array. Hmm. Okay. I think we need numbers of I. Okay. Hmm. Static. Oh, this one is confusing me. Oh, damn.
Yes, it's also confused me. Because when the method and the array is combined, then
Yep.
combined with another repetition and switch, it's become confused.
Mile H1. Wait, let me check if Java can do array in array. Array inside array. Array of array. Okay. Let me try to do this one. Static. Static. Double. Double of doubles. Let's say the records. So that means for the records number 1 is equals to new double of 2 array of the numbers of array. I'm confused.
Yes.
Damn.
Yes.
Uh, Total for user is 0. So that means, okay, total for user, we want to use it. Then we need to put the record. Okay. Yes, I think I know it. I know it. Just for X. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. So now, for this, you want to call it also. What we can do here? I think let me change this one lah. Numbers of numbers. So that means there will be the array inside an array, so there will be double array. Okay. So this one is records dot length length. So then n plus plus. So now for the name is this one is correct. The number also correct. Yes, number also correct. Then total mile age. This one we can. Okay. So we need to create an array. Double. Do we need it? I don't think we need that. We need for variable integer integer nn is equal to 0 and n is less than records. Alamak. Records n dot length then n plus plus. So this one will be inside here, and then this one will be n, but we need the records. Okay, I think this one is overall claim. Why is it inside the for loop? I think we don't need this one. Okay, the overall, we can take it from the overall total. Where is it? The overall total. So let's try. Okay, so satu, let's say Harry, I have two claims. So the what is this? Exception in thread null pointer exception. Oh damn. Dekat line 156. 156 pula. Display menu 34, read input 68. 68. Records I. New double 12. Satu, Harry, dua, 100 and 1000. Yes, Ang 200. 200 claim, no. Oh damn.
I also made some same
What the
mistake.
heck? Oh damn. Harry. So I have two claims. So the claim one is 100, and then the second claim is 1000. So yes, I put the name Ang, and then for Ang we have three claims. So then my age is somewhere like 50, and then this one is 700, and then the third one is 1000. So then yes, and then we put the name Abi, and then numbers of claim Abi is 1, and then this one is 1000. No, and then to display the report. Okay, Harry. So this one, like this, right? So Harry, number of claim is 2, or you want to show the numbers of claim, the first claim and the second claim, like that?
Is also like, but it will be come out on the, like Harry, right? Got two claims, then the two claims will come out with a total, then display out.
Oh, so that means only one name Harry and then just total out.
Yes.
Oh, so that one is more simple lah. Okay, so okay. Actually, just now I buat macam tu tadi. Lepas tu I ask you again. So it's okay.
That's why I start to confuse it.
It's okay.
Because now when the now is the I already in holiday week, because now got the our exam week, because I don't have the final exam. So plus now is the Chinese mood also on.
The new year has not end yet.
Yes. Then I got asked my senior, but when they they told me when their assignment at the sem one, like for this programming one, they don't have like this one. They just like a simple one.
Oh, Java.
Okay.
Abirami, are you
Very
sleeping?
much problem.
Abirami, are you sleeping?
Hello?
You sleep ah?
No, my network line is very slow.
Oh, so don't need to.
Very
Don't need.
slow.
Okay.
That's why I left.
100.
Automatically, it was left.
I think you sleep already. Senyap je kan, so
No.
quiet. Abi. So this one for Abi
Currently,
has
I'm in
one
Cyberjaya.
800.
No, here the line is very slow.
Oh, number 2. Okay. Like this one, right? So Harry has number 2. Number of claim is 2, so the total is this. So the Ang has 3 claims, so the total is this. Abi has 1 claim, so the total is this. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So the null we can remove lah. Okay. Because I just take each idea we can do is not null. Okay. We almost done here. Java main, calculate for claim. Let's put Harry, and then I put number of claim for Harry is 2, so 100, and then this one 1000, and then yes, put Ang here, and then Ang has 3 claims, so the first claim is 100, and then the second claim is 700, and the third one is 1000, and then yes, put the name Abi, so Abi has 1 claim, so let's say 1000 for Abi. No, so we check the report. Ta-da! This one correct, Ang.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what you want, right?
Yes.
Okay lah.
Got what? Because after we enter the number of claims for a user, it will come up with a total claim at that.
You want to show the total claim here?
Yes.
Okay, can. Of course can.
So like that is not the calculation problem. It's at the display report and the read input problem, right?
I think your calculation also got problem here because this one, you always how do I say it? Actually, you always reset the numbers of the array. So that means the array already got let's say 12. So then the numbers is always 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. But you have 3%. That's why the number keep multiplying by themselves because this one is always append the numbers, right? So that's why I put in here so to make it more clearly. So I create a new variable. So for the record, this one we don't need to append, but for total for all, then we append. This one also the same lah. Let me print out the numbers. I think I can put it here. Total amount of claim. Actually, I'm quite old school because using this command prompt. Actually, the correct way we can use just the NetBeans or the Eclipse, but I'm quite old school. So actually, my friend also tell me that ask me why I still use Notepad++ because nowadays we can use the IDE, what the name? Visual Studio Code, right? So this one, I just tell them that I'm old school, so I will just keep using Notepad++ and using command prompt to compile the code.
Yes, because all the programmer got their own style to do the
Yeah,
right.
right. And this is 1000. So there, this one is correct.
Oh yes, yes.
Okay, so finish.
Okay, so I understand already. Okay.
Okay, I will send the code.
Okay.
Okay. Just I want to remind you that for for a good for to keep this profession more professional, uh, we need to always to keep that the code in sort in a good indentation. So that's why every time I see my junior's code, my friend's code, I always will susun dulu. I sort it to follow the indentation first. So then we can check the code. Sebab dah senang kan.
Yes.
Kalau
Yes,
tak,
I
susah.
understand that. I also because I'm using the Jackrash, right, not the NetBeans or Notepad++. If Notepad++, I enter, it will come out with a straight line like that.
Yes,
Just
yes, yes.
because using Jackrash, I need to arrange on for my own self.
Same lah, same like NetBeans lah. I cannot shift tab. You see, I cannot shift tab. I don't know why.
Yes, yes.
So
That's why.
it's so hard. Okay, it's okay. I send the code first. So to you.
But suddenly I really had why like cannot arrange like at the same one.
Oh, I forgot to change the name. Later you change by yourself, okay?
Oh,
change the claim
can,
Java
yes,
and
can.
the class. Okay, I send the file. Okay, so that's it for our code checking. Actually, I'm planning to talk about the future of programming. So how do you guys to be a programmer? Because now we have Abi inside our Google Meet that chat me just this evening and tell me that she want to be a programmer. So where to start and what to learn and what she wants and what the goal is that she wants to kerja. So that one is not a problem, but we need to keep in mind that any programming language, if you want to be a programmer, you just can learn any programming language. You cannot just pick, oh, this one can do for market, this one can do. Actually, you need to understand the programming language. Just like me, I started with PHP programming for I think for 2 years, 3 years, and then after that, when I looked into another programming language, because I understand the PHP programming well, so that's why that means every time I see another programming language, I easy to understand. So whenever I check, I saw the program, oh, just like this. I think the syntax is quite different, but kalau kita tengok, kita boleh faham lah kan. Contoh macam perbezaan Java dengan PHP. The things that we need to know, the difference between PHP and Java is how to declare the variables. And then to declare the function is also the same. To declare the class is also the same. Kan? So the only syntax that we don't know is how to echo the result, how to defining the variable. So actually, if you want to be a programmer, don't need to cherry pick or I mean don't need to I nak belajar ni sangat-sangat. Dia tak pun macam tu lah. Kan? Tapi boleh je, tak ada masalah. I boleh je aja. So far for Java, for C#, I think this one is very easy lah to learn. One time ago, I asked my teacher. My teacher actually electronic engineering. My brothers lah, kira my cousin brothers lah. Masa tu I tak reti C#. So bila I jumpa dia, I cakap dia, I want to learn C#. Can you teach me? So then he send me a WhatsApp. I ada screenshot dekat I punya Facebook. Dia cakap dekat I, C# is 100 times easier than C. Oh.
Oh, C# is a programming language, okay.
So I think you can start any language to learn, but For Java, yes, of course the Java is now quite big lah kan. Itu pun kira old school juga Java tu. Kalau nak new school lagi, belajar Ruby, belajar Python, kan.
Python.
Tapi the special of Java because they were under Oracle kan. So dia punya macam C# pun sama under Microsoft, so diorang punya documentation lagi well lah. For me lagi well berbanding PHP sebagai community, so kita tengok dekat Stack Overflow je lah. Tapi kalau macam C# dengan Java, diorang ada documentation sendiri yang sangat lengkap.
Oh, Java old school ke?
Nah, itulah tu.
Java. Ya
Dia
ke? Alamak.
dia
Baru semangat nak baca.
Dia kategori old school lah, tapi that language can do anything lah. So far sementara ni Java support semua lah. Big data boleh, buat game boleh, semua boleh, tak ada masalah. Dia
Game
actually
boleh,
macam ni
okay.
tau. Dia actually macam ni. Any programming language yang boleh pergi jauh sekarang ni adalah programming language yang boleh support object oriented program dengan boleh support MVVM model, MVC model. Sebab dulu punya programming language contoh macam even C kan, macam C language dia orang tak ada object oriented. So that's why diorang akan sentiasa menjadi the back end of the language yang ada object oriented. So for future we need to focus on object oriented and the development architecture like MVVM, MVC, MVCM, macam tu lebih kurang. So we need to focus on that lah.
Okay, so in that type, Java can be
So far Java boleh pergi jauh lah sekarang ni. Boleh pergi.
Okay.
Tapi for knowledge need to learn anything lah kan. Janganlah satu Java lepas tu you dah stop tidur. That one is not a good programmer lah. Sebab
macam
kan,
two in one.
sebab kan kalau contoh okay, sekarang dia dah makin modern. Java programming language sekarang dia orang dah pecahkan front end dengan back end. Dulu tak ada. Dulu kalau you code in Java, so only the JSP also can be the front end. Tapi sekarang dah ada dua, so ada front end ada back end. So maybe the Java only for API server, but then if you want to build an application or software, you need a front end knowledge like Node.js, like Angular, like yang apa popular React Native, Vue.js. So you need those knowledge too. So don't need to focus only for Java, because Java nowadays just as a back end programming language now. So you need to open your yes. What is your sebab?
Suggestion kalau I belajar Java waste of time ke atau
no
macam
lah.
mana?
You I baru ajar PHP tau dekat YouTube. Baru start 3 hari lepas. Kalau kata waste of time Java, maksudnya PHP tu lagi lah waste of time tau. Kesian kat I.
Tapi PHP susah kan? I pernah dengar.
PHP mana ada susah? Tanya ni Ang. Ang lagi lah dalam Google Meet.
Yes, PHP lagi senang nak faham.
Yes. PHP kan, PHP punya coding you tak payah tulis public, static bagai ni. You nak buat input, just tekan $sign je. Ni semua tak ada.
Yes. Cuma sign tu
$sign
kalau
je.
macam tu, I learn.
You nak learn yang senang dulu lah ni cerita dia. Tapi kan
Kalau macam tu, I learn Java 2 in 1 lah.
Boleh je. If you have time, you can commit, then you can learn anything actually.
Yeah, time.
Dulu pun masa I start belajar coding, I tak kerja tau. I memang duduk rumah, habiskan nasi kat rumah. I punya mak bising.
Sama dah.
I punya mak bising, habiskan nasi, habiskan beras lah apa, tak kerja, tak ada gaji. Tapi that time I really focus lah. I really focus in programming punya knowledge.
Yeah, that is important time kita kena fokus.
Yes, we need to focus lah. If you can commit, then anything is also can lah.
Great. So kalau macam ni, macam nak contoh, kita nak macam at least familiar, sedangkan kita nak at least kita nak dapat kerja as a fresher ke intermediate ke. So how many months will it take at least understanding? Kalau kita pantas, lebih cepat lah kita dapat experience tu, knowledge tu.
Kalau based on my experience, actually I never go to college tau. I have only SPM. My SPM also not good. But after I habis sekolah, I terus learn my program lah, sebab I start buat coding masa I 15. So masa I dah start buat coding lama dah lah. Masa tu komputer gemuk-gemuk dulu kan.
Yeah, not like now one, the tiny one, the
No,
small
no.
one.
Yeah, just now kan laptop nipis tapi power gila. Dulu tak ada. Dulu komputer besar-besar pakai CD je. Still
Now got
pakai
the what?
disk.
Now got the gamer laptop, gamer
Yes.
CPU like that.
Itu time if you found laptop gaming laptop, wah, sangat kaya oh. That time lah. So then I learn a lot by experience. I subscribe Udemy, I subscribe Ellison, I subscribe Pluralsight, and then I go to Khan Academy, W3 Schools, Tutorials Point. So this is the resource that I learned from there. Then I just start developing. So when you never face the problem if you just only study the program. You need to develop something and then you found the problem. So that is how your experience build up. So then your
Yes.
knowledge will be more how to say viable, something like that lah kan. So you akan lebih, you punya fikiran lebih luas, you punya logic thinking is more increased. Just like we do this thing kan, kalau kita belajar benda, this one is always basic. We just learn how to insert the data inside array, how to declare an array, and then how to read the input. But then if we create a program, then we found that the logic like this one, we need to insert the array inside another array. So this is how our experience and our knowledge is built up
Actually
based
macam
on
ni tau.
experience.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Because for me lah, if like the programming like that, you need to do yourself. Then if got error, you got try to solve yourself. You understand it. That you know how to
If you don't know, then find Sifu ah.
if because I will try to solve on self first. It's really cannot just find seafood to
Someone.
ask someone to teach.
To ask lah, okay lah.
No,
That one
last
is
choice.
Sekarang you guys macam I think for this zaman lah, this generation yang modern ni, like 2020 this one kan, you guys has lot of resource, tak macam I dulu tau. I dulu tak ada cikgu. My friends pun tak ada yang jadi programmer yang pro, tak ada. That time I memang lonely. I pun tengok dekat YouTube ada yang tutorial betul, ada tutorial scam pun ada. Kita nak buat sistem, buat program, diorang buat program untuk virus lah, apalah, itu semua zaman dulu punya kan. So susah nak dapat resource. Sekarang ni resource ada banyak. So I think kalau we don't grab it, so we just waste our time lah, waste our age lah. So we need to move on.
For me lah, the WT school is a good resource for us when we want to start to learn programming.
Yes, WT school now has lot of knowledge. Kalau dulu cuma ada PHP, HTML, but now
now got the HTML.
Raspberry Pi, the Git, the AWS, ada Python, Java, C#, C++, semua ada. So
Java also have.
Yeah, Java also have. So WT schools now is good. But I have another website that I really like. I have read almost everything. My knowledge is there lah. Tutorials Point. This one is also good. We have a lot of books. You see here, a lot of books that you can read, and they give us a simple code that we can run. The tutorialspoint.com. So let's say I want to try this I want to learn this artificial intelligence with Python. So we just need to click on the topics, and then it will give us the logic, the library that we want to use, the simple code, and then how to visualize it. So this one is good. Tutorials Point also good. WT School also good. But Tutorials Point seems like an old school a bit lah. But for me, this one is okay lah. for the Gen Z, Gen Y, I don't know lah kan. So That's all lah kot. And for Mr. Ang also, the issue has solved. Abirami, you want to learn Java ke? Confirm. Bila nak belajar?
I confirm. Tapi lepas you punya discussion, I macam tak, I sebenarnya macam ni tau. Masalah I,
Deh,
yelah you betul lah.
kambing you.
Kita boleh
You kena ada pendirian lah.
tak, I memang strong, confident enough. Tapi cuma I nak tahu, yelah kalau I rajin belajar, confirm 2-3 bulan I boleh catch up. Tapi masalahnya tadi you cakap Angular, Node, cuma I ada sikit low confident. Sebab nanti kalau I susah payah belajar, nanti macam benda
Waste
tu
lah.
macam
Macam
I
wasted
takut tu. Yes, that is the only thing. Tapi
Okay, let me tell you the market now, okay? Okay, for government, mostly they use PHP programming. They don't have any front end technology yet. For me, for as far as my check lah, even Flutter is can say that newly invited into government for government of Malaysia now, because I have do some software for governments. Kerajaan negeri Kedah, kerajaan negeri Johor adalah beberapa pejabat-pejabat kerajaan. So diorang punya knowledge mostly is PHP and C# ASP.NET or VB lah, VB ASP.NET. Macam Java actually kira baru tapi dalam 2-3 tahun lah. Tapi diorang masih, kalau kita beli dokumen software diorang, masih tak ada lagi senarai Java. Belum ada tapi jarang jumpa lah, jarang jumpa. Kemudian Flutter pun baru. Sekarang ni diorang tengok kalau macam buat Android apps pakai Java. Kalau pakai iOS pakai Swift, itu biasalah kan. Kemudian for market, for business right now, diorang akan fokus kepada PHP pun ada, sebab kalau mostly mostly developer or company now, diorang ada kontrak dengan kerajaan kan. So diorang PHP mesti diorang tak boleh lepas lah. Satu. Dan yang kedua, diorang pakai Oracle sebab mostly kerajaan ataupun company besar, diorang mesti pakai license punya barang. So macam database mesti database Oracle. So kalau Oracle mestilah compliance ni mestilah Java, kan. Begitu juga dengan Microsoft punya teknologi, diorang pakai C#. So actually you can just pick which one lah, sama ada you nak go on PHP also can, sebab kita ada market dekat kerajaan. Kalau kata you nak go modern sikit, you boleh pakai Java atau C#. Yang ni pun masih ada market. Kalau you nak yang lagi modern, macam newly inserted macam Node.js, yang tu dah kategori front end lah, front end development. Walaupun ada back end yang pakai Node.js, tapi selalunya orang pakai Node.js untuk front end lah. So depend lah, you nak fokus kat mana. You nak jadi back end developer ke, you nak jadi front end developer ke. Kalau you jadi full stack, kalau you belajar full stack, you kena belajar dua-dua lah. You ambil satu Node.js, satu mungkin React ke, mungkin Angular ke.
Okay, sebenarnya last week I ada bincang dengan satu programmer dekat India lah. Dia pun serupa cakap macam you. Macam you nak, dia pun tanya macam you juga. You nak jadi front end ke atau back end. Tapi masalahnya I nak jadi Java. I nak jadi Java developer. Tapi nak jadi Java developer, so
jom kita tengok Java developer dekat JobStreet.
Okay.
JobStreet.
I okay je front end back end. Cuma sekarang I punya minda tu dekat Java kan. Kalau nak front end back end, kalau learn Java boleh jadi front end back end tak?
Boleh. Macam ni selalu you ada basic buat website tak? HTML semua tahu tak?
HTML tahu lah.
JavaScript tahu.
Itu tak tahu. HTML okay. Dia pernah lah buat projek dekat college lah dulu. Head body, bla 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 bla.
Kalau you transition between Java and JavaScript dah tak banyak lah. Sebab dia punya syntax almost the same. Cuma huruf kecil, huruf besar je lah diorang. Beza dia. Kalau you belajar Java, so JavaScript will be quite easy for you. You kalau belajar JavaScript, also Java akan jadi easy for you lah. Sebab dia transition tak banyak. Dia tak macam PHP dengan Java. Kalau you belajar PHP, jauh dengan Java. Jauh. Tapi kalau you belajar JavaScript dengan Java, dia dah dekat lah. Lagi dekat kalau you belajar C Sharp, lagi dekat lah dengan Java. Sangat-sangat dekat.
Macam best lah nama dia. Boleh tak kalau I boleh kalau contohlah I rajin sangat, boleh tak I belajar 2 in 1? Macam every day I spend 2 hours for this, 1 hour for this, like that.
Boleh lah. Kalau you belajar Java, C Sharp tu automatic you tahu.
Okay, super.
Kejap programmer ni apa? Alah, kena klik satu-satu lah. Selalunya Java gaji mesti besar. Sekejap tengok ni Ni pakai apa?
Bila itulah pasal I nak masuk.
Nampak? Ini masih PHP MySQL.
Yelah. Tapi kan, you tahu next week I'm gonna attend satu itu saya saja je apply program tu, just 1 week course. Dia pasal PHP programming and SQL, buat website. Dia daripada HRDF. My one of Malay friend lah, macam you lah. Rakan college I. So dia bagi link, dia suruh open link tu, dia suruh just apply je. Dia course daripada HRDF. I think lah, HRDF.
Yelah, HRDF.
Diorang next week 7 to 11 February lah, I rasa. Macam introduction to PHP and then MySQL. Lepas tu, diorang suruh buat website lively. Macam tu.
Okay tu.
At least itu dulu I apply, tapi diorang tak ada masa. So, diorang letak online training courses tu dalam next week lah.
Bagus lah. You boleh attend je lah. Attend lah, bagus.
Attend je lah. Tengok macam attend je. Beginning kan. Attend je. Dapat sijil kan sebab tu. I dapat sijil. Yang tu penting.
Layan. Okay lah tu. Bagus. Satu bagus. Apa, I think the module is the same yang I ajar kat YouTube lah. Tapi kalau kata diorang ada tapi I punya modul more to practical. Kalau HRDF dia ada modules yang dia ada slide. So yang tu bagus, ada handouts. So yang itu bagus you pergi.
Kalau ada slide I share dekat you publish dekat YouTube you.
Tak boleh lah, kena saman tak pasal. Copyright.
Copyright issues.
So now dekat the job strip I tekan 1, 2, yang pertama, yang 2 ni semua PHP, yang ketiga baru jumpa C Sharp. Tengok yang keempat ni dia nak pakai OOP, PHP lagi. Nampak PHP, nampak I cakap dah PHP lagi. Tapi yang ni dia PHP framework. Kalau you attend I punya kelas,
apa beza framework dengan
kalau you attend I punya kelas, you akan tahulah framework tu macam mana sebenarnya bentuk. Tapi I punya kelas hari ni baru besok pagi baru start kelas untuk framework punya development. Sebab I akan ajar develop satu framework lah dalam PHP. Okay, ni PHP, software engineering IT ni apa dia nak pakai? Ni C++, ni susah ni. Software engineering ni pakai C++, Pascal. Ni baru jumpa Java, nampak? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yang kelima baru jumpa Java.
Benang, okey.
Tengok Java berapa gaji dia? 4.5k je. Serius lah.
Tapi Henry, tapi yelah, orang macam I, macam beginner level lah, I fresher. Dia orang ambil tak? Contohlah, I start this month. Around, maybe I familiar sikit dalam 3 bulan, 4 bulan, 2 bulan. Dia orang ambil tak? Macam
Kalau
June ke I play.
GAC pun ada open ni. GAC. Ni ada Java, baru jumpa Java. Dia macam ni, apa, sometimes kan, diorang nak tengok you punya knowledge tu boleh pergi ke tak. How do you practically do your works kan. Masa I baru kerja kan dulu, my boss said, sebab I tak ada degree, tak ada diploma, tiba-tiba mohon kerja kan. Diorang pun pelik, kenapa dia minta kerja kan, bukannya reti ke IT kan. Lepas tu that time lah kita kena buktikan yang kita boleh buat. Masa I buktikan tu memang boleh buat lah. After 2 weeks diorang punya job semua siap. I ada buat 3 platform ke 2 platform dalam masa 2 weeks kan, dalam PHP lah. Tapi lepas tu baru diorang, baru dia cakap, you dah level senior ni, dia kata. I pun yelah kot. Masa tu I tak pernah kerja kan, first time kerja. So macam lebih kurang macam tu lah. So kalau you boleh buat things that yang boleh impress diorang, so mungkin ambil je. Cuma sekarang ada banyak istilah lah, istilah yang I pun tak berapa tahu. Contoh macam istilah yang I tak tahu, macam mana nak cakap, I pun tak tahu. Ada. Tapi boleh cubalah. Yes.
Betul, you
in Malaysia.
continue.
Sorry,
Because if I after I learn the IT course for now, I think I will try how to say I will use my knowledge and I will to find my work at another country.
Wah.
Ah,
Wah.
Yes,
good question. Good.
because you don't say Malaysia because Malaysia, as we see at the Japan or at now the China,
Yep.
they are using for IT at all the works or another how do we say we ask say bidang they
Yep.
quite they already use the technology in
Yep.
all of their
So the
not like
market is more big lah sana.
because if I have programmer because if you study data analysis you also can join as a police IT you can do the data analysis at
Yep.
there right.
Yep.
Oh, tapi sekarang, ya.
I like the most what got a TV show called CSI Cyber. I like that most.
Oh. So you want to be one of them lah sana.
I pernah
Terfikirlah.
fikir tapi because saya rasa kagum kepada mereka kerana mereka guna apa knowledge like programming they use the programming knowledge they try to solve the crime.
Oh.
Sekejap
Big Data. Yes, this one, Hadoop. Yeah. This one very famous. I dengar apa tau. In future semua depends on the big data lah. Hadoop
Yes.
technology.
Now got
Now
one.
also.
Now got one TV drama from China about a like the Aska punya cerita lah.
Okay.
Dalam tu memang cerita pasal tentang big data.
Oh.
Big data.
Dalam tu ada
Bagus
satu watak utama dia memang belajar big data punya course. Apabila dia masuk Aska, dia guna dia punya big data punya knowledge dan dia
untuk solve problems tu lah.
Yes.
Oh.
Dalam tu dia cuma
This one more.
Dia ni susah lah untuk belajar big data. Kalau ada memang ada minat boleh belajar lah big data.
Tapi ni ambil 6 months tu. I rasa 6 months lah. I dengar lah 6 months to 7 months. Kalau rajin 5 bulan lah. Macam banyak feel.
Actually macam ni, anything you learn.
Very very futuristic this one. Hadoop.
Dia ada dia big data ni kira we can consider it is a new technology lah. Sebenarnya benda ada lama. Sama macam artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning. So that one is the keyword of the technology that just apa orang kata dia cuma baru di-improvise ataupun baru dipopulariskan sekarang lah. Dulu tak ada words ni sebab dulu machine kita tak kuat. Kan? So actually macam mana pun you nak pergi, you kena start from codes and then you can climb up there lah. Macam big data, sebelum ni macam kita orang buat kan untuk kita, I punya office dengan I punya staff, ada seorang punya kawan. Kita cuba grabkan data the senarai data perniagaan dekat dalam negara Malaysia kan.
Yes, betul.
So we collect from Google, we collect from Yahoo. Actually that one start from programming. The first start is the programming. But later then you need to think using your creativity how to fetch the data from the websites, from the search engines. So macam mana pun kita memang boleh dream big, tapi kena start from the scratch lah, kan. Kalau kita fikirkan macam I give you an example lah. Contoh macam I tak tahu coding, tapi I minat IT, I tahu sikit-sikit, macam I tahu HTML, JavaScript. Lepas tu I tiba terus nak jump into big data. For me that one is quite impossible lah. Memang possible tapi it's kind impossible sebab you nak kena belajar you kena belajar balik programming, you kena belajar R, you kena belajar Java. So that one akan take time. So tapi kalau you dah ada the basic knowledge of the Java,
Yes,
of
yes.
R, so that one
Exactly, exactly.
will be more easy lah.
So,
Anything
tapi
that
orang macam
kalau you dah step into IT, you dah step in programming, so lepas tu you nak belajar deep, macam I cakap lah kat you, kalau you dah belajar satu programming language and then you nak turn into another
Betul.
programming language, so dia dah jadi lagi senang lah berbanding daripada you step in from scratch.
Okay. Nak tanya ni, contoh, yelah kalau orang macam I, kalau nak pergi ke big data, yelah take time sebab I tak tahu berapa pasal Java kan. It will take times lah for learn the Hadoop. Contoh macam Hadoop technology tu big data lah. So kalau macam tu, mesti I ambil masa kan sebab I tak tahu Java sangat. So, tapi ada orang kata, kalau nak learn big data, Java punya knowledge tak payah. Not a big deal lah. Kalau tak tahu Java, tak apa. It's not a big problem. Betul ke?
Macam mana nak cakap dia macam ni lah, macam ni. Apa tu big data. How do I say Okay, big data ni macam ni. The basic thing of big data is like this. You collect the data from public, either from the camera, either from the mic ke microphone yang dekat public lah, anything lah. Yang paling simple yang kita boleh buat adalah big data selalunya. Kalau you pergi mana-mana course big data, diorang akan tunjuk cara pakai Facebook Pixel. Diorang akan ajar cara pakai Twitter punya API. Ini semua basic things lah yang you will learn in big data. Kalau secara basically, how do you fetch the reports from the Twitter? Sebab Twitter kan ada feed kan, feeding, contoh macam coronavirus punya feed. Dia orang akan ambil and then you get the data and then you will process. So actually this process actually basically just fetching data from API lah. So you pakai HTTP request. This the same thing macam HTTP request, the socket connection, and then another thing like lepas tu baru you pakai calculation macam mathematics, statistik, you keluarkan graph. So that one that will come as a big data analysis lah. Tapi kalau kata I tak tahu lah big data yang you masukkan tu macam mana kan. Tapi yang as far as I know, dia simple, benda tu benda yang sama je macam you buat coding biasa. Dia tak adalah, kalau kata you buat AI, buat machine learning, that one is ada yang different sikit lah. Tapi kalau kata big data yang kita ambil pada public, yang kita nak combine, kita jadikan dia sebagai satu analysis, so that one you kena belajar coding lah. Dia ada software dia lah, macam MATLAB ada. Kalau you start from MATLAB, I rasa diorang dah ada plug-in untuk dapatkan data daripada public lah. Diorang ada macam library yang you boleh use, and then you can fetch the data from Twitter ke, from Facebook ke, from Google. Okay, ada apa lagi You nak tengok kod dalam Java ke? Dalam Java
Okay, Java, Python.
I rasa nanti I akan buat kelas Java lah, sebab itu hari pun ada orang minta juga kelas Java.
Okay.
Sekarang ni dah run PHP kan. Sebab PHP I have a student yang minta sebenarnya. So that's why I create PHP dulu. Later on I will do Java. Tapi I ingat I tak nak buat Java basic lah. I nak start Java yang dah intermediate ke kan. So kita akan tengok yang lebih deep dive into, lebih tinggi lah.
Deep diving coding. So I pun nak pandai buat coding sebenarnya.
You basic Java boleh tahu sebab you biasa buat Android kan.
So basic Java tu I pernah lah, sebab last year I ambil course tau, tapi halfway I dah macam give up sikit. So I discontinue lah that course. Sebab time tu ada orang cakap apa tau, Android tu dah nak pupus, Android tu dah ni, Android no market. So I macam postpone. Tapi ada postpone je, tak discontinue, just postpone that. I just suruh my lecturer stop sikit lah, I macam nak relax.
Kambing.
Tapi kalau Java I tak nak give up lah. Tapi pasal Java I tak nak give up sebab I dah macam dah strong, confident dah. So
Dia kena commit lah,
Hmm.
Bi. Aduh.
Sure. Okay.
Jangan do something then you stop. Do something then you stop. Tak baik, tak elok lah. They is not good
Okay.
lah. Come on lah.
Okay, bro. Learn to code. Bro, sebenarnya I download Eclipse. Lepas tu, I download JDK. Learning in Eclipse is better ke atau IntelliJ tu better? I say Eclipse is better kan?
IntelliJ selalu orang pakai untuk Android kan.
I
Tapi
rasa
boleh je
sebab dia
untuk
orang
Java boleh juga. Yang you tengok I buat Java pakai apa? Pakai Notepad++ you tahu tak?
lah. Boleh run ke?
Ya, run pakai CMD. Nampak? I buka command prompt this one. Aduh, you tak tengok pada awal Oh, you masuk lambat tadi
Command prompt.
I run pakai command prompt kot. Ni old school punya tau. Tadi I cakap dekat Ang dah. Old school sikit lah. Sebab I tak reti lah pakai IDE sangat. Macam NetBeans kan, I tak reti setting lah. I tak tahu mana setting dia. Sebab dia patut boleh setting as a console, tapi tak tahu kat mana.
Tapi boleh buat correction, debugging. This one IDE.
Yes. Yang bagusnya sini dia boleh buat debugging. Tapi
guna apa ke?
tapi tak reti lah. I noob kot tu. I kata I tak expert sebenarnya. Tapi kalau I tengok I tahulah kan. Macam Python pun sama. Kalau tengok kita tahulah. Tapi nak dia start from zero tak reti lah.
Tak apa. Intermediate kalau dah pandai coding tu sudah cukup untuk I.
Betul. Tapi bagi I kalau you install Notepad++, you install JDK, you tak ada IDE, I rasa lagi laju kot. IDE ni I download 2 gig NetBeans ni. Install package dah, install apa 2 gig.
Ya, ini IDE 12.4. You tahu I 13 something lah I punya IDE. Tapi ni Apache, semua sama kan? I download
Sama
Eclipse.
Sama lah,
sama
Eclipse
je.
sama.
Tak ada
Eclipse
masalah.
berapa gig? 1.3 gig Besar. Kalau you download JDK kecil
So I hari tu pergi increase I punya RAM. JDK pun I download.
Android SDK.
Mana je lah.
Android SDK. Dia yang besar ni IDE.
I confuse tools tu I confuse lah macam mana guna. That's why. Tapi I ada experience Android Studio so sekarang macam okay lah.
Okay lah tu. Okay, anything else? Tak ada, kita nak end live ni.
Okay, so far. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Harry.
Thank you,
welcome.
Thank you, Abi.
Thank you for you guys for sharing your experience, your story, your talks with me.
Thank you.
And then I'm sorry for Ang because take time, because I tak biasa pakai NetBeans. Terus terang cakap I pun dah lama tak pakai NetBeans, so I just run from my command prompt. I'm sorry. So tadi masa nak start tadi macam lambat sikit. I pun tengah kelang ngebut, mana nak buka ni. Tak apalah. Sorry yang penting settle kan you punya case. Okay, apa-apa pun ada rezeki kita jumpa lagi. Bye bye semua. Thank you for watching. Thank you for follow me. Bye, goodbye.
I will keep watching Mr. Henry live.
Oh, thank you. Nanti you free you pergi like I punya YouTube lah. I punya Facebook, I punya YouTube.
Boleh. Saya pun akan cadangkan kawan saya pergi tengok.
Okay, mantap. Bagus lah Ang. Thank you Ang.